Municipal Building located at One Center Place. And it was designed by McKim and Mean White. It is one of the largest government office buildings in the world. It's classical and Roman Italian Renaissance-style architecture rose from its modern roots. It holds 25 floors and an extra 15 in its central tower. Surmounting this tower is a 20-foot-tall Roman-style sculpture. This style of architecture flows throughout the building down to its limestone Corinthian columns, which supports this 3-story tall arch passageway. This archway was intended for automobile and foot traffic to flow into the central plaza until traffic patterns on Chambers Street were changed due to safety reasons. During the design process, space was seen as movement and was meant to be used to its fullest in response to Manhattan's rapidly growing population and booming economy. That is why this building was the first building in New York City to incorporate a subway station at the southern end of its building.
Unlike McKim, Mead, and White on the Manhattan Municipal Building, Le Corbusier, Niemeyer, and Sir Harold Johnson saw space not as movement, but as a continuum. Le Corbusier said that the house is a machine for living, and should be built as such. We can see his personality shine through within these structures. With the repeated use of aluminum exteriors, reinforced concrete that's surrounded by glass curtains on the neighboring buildings, it is not hard to see the continuum. From the library on the right that is completely covered in reflective glass, to the Secretariat building, which is curtained in the same glass, to the General Assembly building that curves and navigates the eye effortlessly along the facades. The Secretariat building is the most widely used in the media. Scraping the skies at 505 feet, it overlooks the East River. The entire headquarters rests on 17 acres of land and is surrounded by the 194 flags from nations around the world. The library was given to the United Nations in 1959 by the Ford Foundation. It was completed on November 16, 1961, and cost an astonishing $6.2 million to build. The General Assembly building is a 380-foot by 160-foot sloping structure with concave sides. The conference building hides behind the Secretariat building and the General Assembly building, connecting the two on the first few floors. This building extends along the waterfront for 400 feet over the FDR Drive. The collection of these buildings complements the theory of space being used as a continuum and appeal to visitors and officials' aesthetic pleasures alike.